All right, so if you look on the car, underneath the car, usually by the front wheel, there's this little chalk thing here. This is where your jack goes. So you put your jack on this thing here, you lift the car up first. Like so. There you go. This is a pretty cool feature on the 330xi. I did not know that was there. These are functional grills. Look, they go through there and they come out and cool down the brake system. It's pretty dope. Same for this side. All right, now we slide this in there. See if it'll fit. Then I need to take this black cover off here.
For you in a second if you want me to.
All right. And there we go. Oil filter is located on the top right here. So you just want to put a sock on something around this and use this. Pop this bad boy off. Oil pan gasket for the bolt. And you got a gasket for this thing here. And then there's another big one for this. And this is the new filter that I just popped in. Boom, there you go. So now we put these back on there.
Wait, who? Yeah. Oh, that's why they're doing all the construction. I was trying to figure out why.
The oil goes like that. We already poured it in, but you get the idea. There is your after.